I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though.
Hi guys, I'm Alicia and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I have an all-day clean with me to share with you guys, so I'm hoping you need some cleaning motivation. But if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Okay, so first I'm starting here in my office. Some of you may know, but my youngest son Chase is doing telelearning, and he generally starts his day off in here, which is why there are so many papers everywhere. You know, I have a couple bins to help keep him organized, you know, with all of his paperwork or even his supplies that he uses throughout the day, but it still gets messy in here. So this is now becoming one of my new daily routines to clean up, because this is where he normally does his schoolwork. So here I'm just using the Miss Maya's basil scent to wipe down the desk and the computer and the keyboard. And then I'm moving on to picking up, there's a few boxes and packages that have come. You know, actually some of this Amazon returns that I have that you're gonna see here in a second. My office really is like a catch-all because it's closest to the front door. So I may just put boxes put boxes in here, as I just said, that may need to be returned, and I'll set them aside here so I don't forget about them when I leave to go out.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me.
Alright, so now I'm moving on to cleaning up the dog cage. His name is Ace, and I'm washing his blankets and his stuffed animals. You know, for you pet owners, I have a question. How often do you wash your pet toys? I know that we try to keep his fresh and clean like all the time just because he is a dog. And I'm just curious, how often do you guys throw your dog stuff into the laundry?
Give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to my entryway. I'm just going to wipe everything down, including the glass inside and outside. And I'm going to be using the Method glass cleaner that I just used on the mirrors in the office. And then I'm also going to wipe down the walls, and then we're going to move on from this entryway and go ahead and vacuum the office and the entryway as well.
Another season we leave behind. Another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to wait too much longer.
So after I finished the entryway, I noticed our sink was filling up with dirty dishes. I will say, since everyone, and tell me if you guys feel the same way, since everyone is home, this is one of the hardest areas to keep clean. You know, before COVID, I worked outside the house, so I was gone all day, my husband was gone all the day, the kids were gone to school. And so once I cleaned up at night, that was it. Like until we ate dinner that night, then I had to clean the kitchen after dinner was done. And my mom lives with me, but she takes care of her own stuff throughout the day. But now that I'm home, I feel I'm constantly in the kitchen cleaning, constantly. Like from breakfast to lunch to dinner, like it's never ending. Like tell me if you guys feel the same way I do. Comment below. Even if your kids have gone back to school, but maybe if you're still working from home or if you are just home, tell me if you're always in the kitchen, like always having to clean it up.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time. You wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love.
I figured I would pop in here real quick. I hope that today's video helps get you some motivation and help tackle that to-do list that you have. I did make a video earlier this week of my fall cleaning where I'm trying to check off a few things that I don't usually get to throughout the year. And through the fall time and spring, I try to make sure I touch those things that I don't really get to throughout the whole year.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
For today, for my all-day clean with me and my fall cleaning routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe if you like it. If you are new, I love this YouTube family that we have here so much, and I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel already. And if you need any more motivation, please feel free to check out any of my cleaning video playlists, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.